everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today, I have decorated a table for two. All right, so today is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today we have a guest. It is Joyful Design, and her theme is Sultry Summer Table Styling. Now, if you guys haven't gone over to Joyful Design's channel, you are missing out. What are you waiting for? She is an amazing content creator who DIYs and does home decor, and her channel you don't want to miss. You won't be disappointed. Leave her a beautiful comment, guys. Click the like button, subscribe to her channel, and let her know that I sent you. Now here on this table, I have used items that I already had in my stash, and this is what it's looking like, guys. I think it looks beautiful. Well, I cannot wait to show you in detail these ginger jars. Absolutely amazing, and I purchased those at Home Goods. Now, here we have a tapered candle that's similar to that color in a taupe color that came from the Dollar Tree. Then we have this greenery along the bottom of those ginger jars, and that was a thrifted item, along with the boxwood ball over to the right. So this whole setting right here to me looks so beautiful. And those ginger jars, I got them at an amazing price at Home Goods. So here's the boxwood ball. I love that thing. I place it everywhere. But these ginger jars are amazing, guys. And I believe I got those on clearance. And of course, this greenery I think is so amazing, fluffy. I don't think it was ever used. And look how much filler it is. It just, the centerpiece looks absolutely amazing just with that. And of course, the eye stopper, the showstopper, which is the ginger jars. So let's see. So here we have the place setting, and I want to go ahead and break this down for you so I can show you what I did. Now, we're starting out here with the bow tie, a napkin fold. It's not beautiful, guys. I love it. It was so easy to make. That's coming up in an upcoming video. I'm going to do a few tutorials on some napkin folds. And then here we have a dish, a salad dish. I purchased that at Dollar Tree. Isn't that a beautiful color green? I'm loving that. So classy. Now, here we have the dinner plate, which came from Kirkland's. And this is such a beautiful plate, guys. I love this plate. So it is okay to intermingle other items in with whatever you're decorating with. It doesn't have to be the full set. So here we have a wicker charger that this was a thrifted item as well, and I'm loving it. So, and now this placemat was also a thrifted item, and what an amazing find. I love the color. It's just so nice. Look at this. So this was a great buy as well. Now, if we go over to the flatware, this flatware in black, I purchased that at Walmart. And that just blends in really nicely with this place setting. Now let's go ahead. Now here's the wine glass. Now the wine glass I got from the Dollar Tree. I decided to place this on the other side on the left side of the dish. So let's go ahead and layer this back. So we have the placemat and we have the charger. I'm like so in love with this wicker and bamboo. I love it. Now here we have the black dinner plate. So we laid it this way. Now the salad plate. Now sometimes I like to lay the napkin off to the side. I don't know why, but I just love to lay it off to the side. It reminds me of a bow. But I think in the end, we're gonna place that on top of the salad plate. And look how wonderful that layering was. So this table for two, I think looks absolutely beautiful, guys. I think it's gorgeous. Here I am moving that bow around again. But I think in the end, it is amazing, this place setting. Now we'll go around the table so that you can see the other place setting, even though they're both the same. So it's a different angle. So Joy, I hope that you enjoyed my place setting, my tablescape, my table styling. I hope that you enjoyed my video. So now we're gonna head on over to the reveal, and I'm gonna see you over there. So I think overall everything came out beautiful, and I hope, Joy, that you loved my video. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.